Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a what's in my bag video with this bag, which is my Hermes Aline mini bag in the color Bougainvillea. I'm going to put the name right there on the bottom of the screen. In the camera it's showing like red, but this is not a red bag at all. To me, in this ring light it looks orange, but this is kind of a pink orange, yeah, mixed color. It's not pink, it's not red, it's not orange, but it's mix of, I think, orange and pink. Yeah, it's a beautiful color, and I chose this color because I don't know, with Hermes I always want to get different color, not neutral. I mean not black or brown or gray color, but I always want to get something like pop-up color from Hermes. By the way, this is my only bag. I do not have anything from Hermes. This is my starter piece as a bag. I have some other items like jewelry and I have one card holder, but this is the only bag I have. And this is in Milo lambskin or Milo lambskin. It's M-I-L-O. It's Milo or Milo lambskin. So it's very soft. Very soft. This strap is made of calfskin, I think. It's not the same leather as the bag. Yeah, this is calfskin and this is lambskin. And here is the inside. I have an unboxing video for this one, ASMR video. If you want to see that video, then I'm going to link that in the description box. And here is the inside, again very soft leather. And if you are interested in this bag, on the website they have a blue color, and they always come and go, so you have to refresh all the time if you are interested. And I think you have a chance of getting the item if you are logged into their website, because that's what happened to me. I was not logged in and I was clicking the item and it said, oops, the item is not available. But when I logged in and clicked that item and add to cart, it went into my cart. So I think you have a chance of getting the item if you are logged into the website. Yeah, so this is the bag guys, and let me show you what you can fit inside. So first thing first, let me take my phone. This is iPhone XR and you can fit it horizontally like this. You can see that is my bag, and there is plenty of space, like 1 inch. So this is a big bag, it's not small at all. Then my card holder, which is Calvi card holder, Hermes. Right there. I have a pack of tissue. I have my 6-ring key holder. I'm going to take a what is it called, hand lotion, and I'm going to take my lipstick, Hermes number 53. I have a mirror, compact mirror. Here is the bag and here is the inside. So I have my phone, I have a tissue pack, I have my wallet, I have a hand cream, I have a compact mirror, and I have my 6-ring key holder, I have my lipstick, and I can put more stuff. You can see there is more space. I have only items up to here, and this is how it looks. Here is the back. It doesn't look that big, but it holds a lot. and because of the leather, I think it holds a lot. This is a very soft leather, so I think that's the reason why also it holds a lot. And if you want to know the price, I'm going to put it right here now because I don't remember exactly how much this was. Yeah, so this is the Aline mini bag. If you are interested, try this one. And now I'm going to show you guys how it looks on my body frame. For reference, I am 4'11" and about 120 pounds. Yeah guys, so that's it for this video, what's in my bag video with my Aline mini. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks again for watching this video and see you again in my next one. Bye.